Sample paper given by the board for academic year 21-22, term 1 paper, basic version of the paper, section A question, multiple choice question. A fair die is thrown once, one die is thrown once. Need to find the probability of getting an even composite number, right? When you roll a die, throw a die once, total number of outcomes is equal to 6. Number of even numbers, let's start. Number of even numbers when you roll a die or throw a die are 2, 4, 6. Is 2 a composite number? No, 2 is a prime number. 4 and 6 are actually the composite numbers. So, number of even composite numbers, you have to be very careful, right? Composite is what it says. So, number of even composite numbers when you throw a die once will essentially be 4 and 6. So, what is the total count that we have there? We have a count of 2 such numbers. What's the required probability? The required probability of this event is equal to number of even composite numbers when you roll a die divided by total number of outcomes. We counted the number of even composite numbers to be equal to 2. Total number of possibilities when I throw a die is equal to 6. So, required probability is equal to 1 by 3. Take a look at the answer options. Answer option B is the correct answer to this question.
Before you leave, I want you to do 2 things. 1, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.